Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. Today we're going to talk about earwax and earwax removal. While you watch highlights from the most popular wax removal clips on YouTube, I'll talk about how to clean your ears, my favorite wax removal tools, and what the benefits of earwax are. Also, stick around for a mystery clip at the end. We'll tell you what this object is. First off, my favorite wax removal tools are lighted medical picks. I'll put a link to my favorite below. Of course, not all picks are created equal. Some have low quality batteries, others heads that fall out and can be downright dangerous. The link below includes high quality picks that just happen to be on sale at the moment, so you can purchase them with confidence. Earwax, also known by the medical term cerumen, is a gray, orange, or yellowish waxy substance secreted in the ear canal of humans and other mammals. It protects the skin of the human ear canal, assists in cleaning and lubrication, and also provides some protection against bacteria, fungus, insects, and water. So, have you figured out what this is yet? Leave a comment below with your best guess. Also, if you've watched this far into the video, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. So the answer to our question is, wow, how amazing is that? The stuff you see in the medical world. Don't forget that these lighted picks are available in the link below. They're great for removing wax from the outer ear, and tonsil stones, and even gentle work around the nose. Just make sure to change or wash the head between use. See you next time. Hey folks, for a great way to remove earwax, check out this lighted pick. Its shape gives you more precision, making it less likely to push earwax farther back into your ear, which is a common problem with Q-tips. And the light helps you see what you're doing. These picks make a great addition to your medicine cabinet, so check out the link below if you'd like to get one for yourself.